Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2014 Range Rover Sport Supercharged SUV. Equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 supercharged engine and 8-speed automatic transmission. This SUV is finished in a beautiful Santorini Black exterior color and black leather interior with wood trim throughout. This is a clean Range Rover that comes well optioned, including navigation, rear camera, sunroof, Homelink, power open and shut liftgate, power heated and cooled front and rear seats, 4-zone climate control, parking sensors front and rear, 22-inch wheels, and much more.